Do you want to convert EPS file to JPG file format? If yes, download the Byte Recover EPS Converter wizard with special features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. In the Welcome window, read all guidelines and then after click on the Next button. Now, the program offers two modes to choose EPS data from the saved location. First, let's check the Select File option and browse the required EPS file from the saved location. User can also check the Select Folder option to bulk upload EPS files in a folder from the saved location. Click on Next button to continue the process. Now, the software analyzes your chosen file and folder and locate in the software interface. Please mark the checkbox of the required EPS file for conversion. Click on Next button to continue the process. Now go to the Saving option. Select JPG format. Mark the checkbox for Save Converted Messages in Same Source folder. Browse a location on your system to save the final outcome. Click on Convert button to start the process. The process of converting EPS files to JPG is running and you can check the number of files converted. The tool drops a complete conversion message after the process completion. Click on OK button. Tool convert only 5 files per folder in trial edition. The software will open the destination location of the resultant file.